Today we are going to see how to reset the value of an identity column in SQL. It is one of the questions that is asked in the interviews. So for this purpose, I'm creating a table reset identity with an identity column ID that starts with 1 and it is auto incremented by 1. So I'm creating this table, I'm running this query. I will select the data from the table and see that there is no records present in the table as of now. In order to insert data in the table, I have written this query insert reset identity default values. So when I run this query a couple of times, certain values will be inserted in the table, like auto incremented values. Okay, so when I select the data again, so I will see that there are total 16 records in the table. If you see the last value of the identity column, it is 16. So suppose for some reasons I want to delete certain values from the table. For example, for ID 14, 15 and 16, I want to delete the data from the table. And I'm running this query, that is delete from the table name where ID is in 14, 15, 16. So now you can see these three IDs has been deleted from the table. And the last value in the table is 13. But again, if I insert the data in the table, then the value will start from 17, not 14. Now, if I select the data from the table, the value after 13 is 17. But what if we want the identity, after deleting the data, we want the identity to start from 14, not 17. So for this purposes, what we can do is, like I'm deleting the data, the record 17, and then I will show you what we can do. I have deleted this value. So the last identity value you can see is 17, which was inserted. I want the identity to start from 14. So what I will do is I will write a command dbcc check ident reset identity, that is our table name. Then we will write receipt, and then if I want to start the identity value from 14, then I will take -1 value here. Like if I want to start the identity value from 14, then I will take 13 here. If I want the identity value to start from 1, then I will take 0 here. Okay, and when I run this query, after this, if I insert data in the table, then you can see the identity column will start from 14 and so on. 14, 15 and so on. So this is how we can reset the value of the identity column. Thanks for watching.